Okay. All right. So you can begin while waiting for your friend.
All right. So this is the block flow diagram for the biodiesel production. Okay. So at the feed we have the oil, fat, alcohol, and catalyst. Okay. So in and alcohol. So next, we go to the separator to be separated, and at the separator we will have the glycerin and alcohol will be separated. Okay, and so the glycerin will go to the bottom, and the the glycerin and alcohol will be separated. Okay, so we will get the one at the top, which is biodiesel. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay. Okay, so we will get the biodiesel and alcohol. Okay, so the biodiesel we will go to the column at this one. Okay, the biodiesel will go to this column, and at there we will be washed with water. Okay, and the biodiesel will be dried. They will go to the dryer and will be dried, and we complete the will be finished after drying. We will get the final biodiesel. So that's the biodiesel part. And for the bottom channel, okay, the glycerin and alcohol will go to the bottom channel along with water. The water that we use to wash the biodiesel will go to the bottom channel and will meet with glycerin and alcohol. Okay, so at there we will the alcohol recovery will occur, and this is a column which will separate the alcohol and glycerin and water. So at here we will have another two, which is alcohol and the glycerin and water. So the alcohol we go back to the feed channel, and glycerin and water will go to the bottom channel for recovery. And I'm done with alcohol part. Okay, I will proceed to this one. For the bottom channel, the glycerin and water will go to the other column for the glycerin recovery.
Okay.
At here, we have glycerin and water, so they will be separated. Glycerin will go to the bottom, and the water will go to the upper, to the washing again, to wash with the biodiesel. And
All right.
water will like cycling, right? Yeah, so that's it for BFD.
Okay. All right. Continue with your PFD.
Okay, PFD. So for PFD, my task is for this one, for purification and distillation. Okay. All right. Okay. So this is the purification and distillation system, PFD. Okay. All right. So I have put some notes here. So V108, which is here, is the feed tank. V111, the bottom product tank, and the V110 for the top product tank. So the feed will enter from the reactor, and I have written here the from reactor system, and from top product tank we enter the feed tank. Okay, so we go to the valve, HV502 to the pump 108, and here will be some recycle. Okay, and to the other valve, So here the column they will be separated. The top product will go to the cold water supply. The top product will go to E404 heat exchanger, and the final phase, the final place is at the we go to the phase separator, and we end here.
So what's that?
And
A vessel?
a vessel.
Okay.
Okay, so for the other one, which is the bottom product, before that, for the top product, it will end at the V110.
Okay.
V110, which is top product tank. Okay, this is the van, and the bottom product will go to the HV533 to product, and this is to feed tank. So for the bottom one, okay, so bottom one, this is V111. Okay, this is bottom. Okay, after separated, okay, we go to V111. We go to we go to E406.
Hold on.
Okay.
Let's look at your PFD here. Can you see at the bottom part of the column, distillation column?
This
So
one.
you don't have arrows down here. Down.
Here.
So you don't have arrows here. So you should put arrows here so that we know where that flow goes. Okay. But you have flow here, right? No problem with that. Okay. Yes. So how come this arrow start pointing to the right?
Yes. Pointing to the right. Maybe that this is arrow. Maybe is pointing down actually. But arrow jadi go to the right.
Okay.
Okay. I will fix for this later.
Alright. So you have to fix this one, eh?
Yes. This one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright. So anything else?
I think that's it. I think one more, the P&ID. Sekejap the other one is the byproduct removal system. So this is the byproduct. To the byproduct system. I go to the reactor system first. So from the reactor system, we'll go to the HV302 and 303. Okay, so will be separated into two channel, which is one will go to V121 glycerin byproduct tank. For this one, we go to the drain through HV301 to the drain and sampling, and the other one will go to the wash tank. So for the washing process will occur, and will be split into I think two, but two major. But for the first one, okay, we go to the also to the glycerin byproduct tank. One will go to the drain, and the other one is from the heat exchanger system. I think that's I think there's an arrow right there.
Yeah. So
Yes.
we clearly put the arrows. Okay,
Yes,
down the wash tank. Can you look at the wash tank also? You don't have the arrow.
Yes. Here, right, from the heat exchanger system down to the wash tank. And also down here. This is arrow here. I forgot to put the arrow. All right. So down to the wash tank, we'll be split into two, which is the drain, which through HV valve 304, and the other one we go to moisture removal system through valve 305 and pump 122. Okay. So
Do you have any information regarding to the temperature of the wash tank?
Wash tank. So wash tank, we have temperature. This one, temperature transmitter.
Okay.
And for heat exchanger system, I have three temperature indicator 3 to 6.
Okay.
So I think that's it.
All right. So do you have any information regarding to the operating temperature of the wash tank?
Wash tank. Yeah, maybe I've didn't put it except for the pressure. Sorry. Yes. Maybe I forgot to put it. I just put the pressure transmitter and not the temperature indicator.
Okay.
Here,
So
put here.
all right. So you have to make some improvement, yeah, regarding to what you have done here. That's include the diagram that you have produced. Make sure the arrows is stated clearly, especially at the junction. Yeah, junction.
Okay.
So we have two junction. Make sure whether they are connected or not. You have to make sure they separate or not. Yeah, the piping system, so that it should be shown clearly lah in your diagram. Kan, kalau dia not connected, you must have at least ada gap over there, little bit. Alright?
Okay.
Okay. So,
Anything else, Miss? I need to improve. Anything else that I need to improve for my this like PFD, P&ID?
okay. So I don't know whether your friends has mentioned about the process or not clearly, but definitely I need to know what is the temperature, the operating temperature, pressure for each equipment that you show in your diagram. Yeah, but they should put that in the process lah, regarding to the parameter that they use. Okay.
Okay.
So it seems that no one here yet.
I don't know. Maybe sebab line problem kot kat sana. Saya pun tak tahu.
Okay. So I think we have to end this meeting lah. Alright, because they are not here yet. Okay.
Okay.
So dah nak zuhur dah. Alright. Okay. Thank you very much, Alif. So all the best.
So I'm done. I'm done, right?
Yeah. So when are you coming back?